Alright guys, what is up? I know it's been a minute, but we are back. And this time we're gonna be working on my car, the 300ZX. You guys saw me buy it 6 months ago, just saw me do an oil change, wrap it, and that is where we left it. But it's time for this car to get some love. I've had this stuff for about 2 weeks. I just haven't had the time to come around and install it. And one of the things for that is because we have opened a shop up. Luke's Concepts is giving us a home for the time being. I'll leave this link to their stuff down in the description below, as well as to our second channel, Limitless Auto Styling, inspired by premium auto styling. Go check it out. We have quite a bit of videos up there. We have 2 projects going up on that channel, a 300 full wrap in red cherry chrome and a satin rose gold Mustang. If you guys are a big fan of the wrap and the wrap stuff that you guys saw on this channel, head over to that channel where you guys can see a lot more of the wrap stuff going on. We're gonna head into the parts room where I'm gonna show you guys what I managed to pick up for the 300ZX. My brother's just doing some winter cleaning. He gave up. He's got it done. My brother picked up Forza. Adam, say your tag, man. You have no friends on Xbox. Get some people to play with Forza.
What is it? Tsunami 86. Like
I'll leave it right here.
86IX.
No, you don't gotta spell it. I'll leave it right there as a nice little old video overlay. But let's head over to the parts room. We got a lot of stuff going on here. And here it is right here. This is all my stuff right here. It isn't really a lot. I have one big thing coming. And I already got the shipping label for it. So, the tracking number. No, I just got the tracking number, so I should get it soon. And then we'll start working on that. There's going to be a couple of videos because I'm actually going to be painting that piece that's coming in. But what you guys saw in the video title is what we're going to be doing. Thank you to R1 Concepts for hooking it up. And thanks to my brother for getting me the sweet deal that I did get on the rotors and brake pads for the 300ZX. So we're gonna pull those out. I'm gonna take those to the garage. I'm gonna show you guys what I did get, and we're gonna get on to installing those parts on the car. Alright, so this is what I got, guys. We got the rotors from R1 Concept, the ceramic Pro Series brake pads. Along with that, I will be changing a couple studs because some are broken, upgrading my lug nuts. These don't have a locking lug. I don't really care about those wheels. And we have a 1-inch spacer for the front. As you guys can see, it currently sits under the wheel weld, and it doesn't pop out as much as I want it to. I want it to pop out and look flush, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And along with that, these are all the tools we are going to be using. But I'm gonna go ahead, jack up the back. We're gonna do the back first, and I'll show you guys how I did do it and how I did install it, and did it take longer, what it did happen. But I might just go ahead and time lapse that side and give you guys a nice little look of how it's going or something like that. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's jack up the car, get the jack stands under there, and get going with changing the first rotor in the back. Alright, so we're back. As you guys have noticed, it's a different day. My brother's gonna go ahead and knock these rotors out for me. As you guys can see, he was so kind enough and generous. He's like, yeah, I got you, bro. You gotta work on your car. I'm like, babe, say no more, say no more. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna have to do the work myself, so that kind of sucks. Nah, it's gonna be something good. Finally get to work on my own car for once. Let's just go ahead and get to it. First thing we're gonna do is remove the caliper, and then we're gonna probably be able to remove the rotor. Alright, so look, we managed to get it off, but come here, come a little bit closer. On the car, not on me. I'm gonna remove these studs, and I'm gonna replace these as well. So we got them soaking wet in a little bit of PB Blaster, you know. Let these sit here for about 5 minutes and then do this. Remove these, and then we're gonna hit it with some brake part cleaner. But I'll give you guys back an update once I replaced all of these, and once we get the new rotor in.
We just got the studs back in. So turns out these are the wrong studs.
They're the right studs. They're for the front.
These are actually for the front.
I bought 20 for the front, not knowing that the rears were different.
When it clearly said on the description, front only. I guess he didn't notice it because he was too hyped to purchase it. You know what happens? He finally got those down with ease.
Alright, so this is where we are at. I managed to get the caliper back on and the rotors on. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I ran into complications on this one, which kind of sucks. I'm gonna get to attempting to do the other side. We're gonna time lapse it, so you guys are gonna see that whole process. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long and we can get it knocked out. Alright, there we have it. The rear is done. Both rotors and lug studs or wheel studs got replaced. Here goes the driver's side, which is also looking pretty clean. So I'm gonna leave you guys here and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we back. It's day 2 for the rotor upgrade on my 300ZX. I already went ahead and got started. I backed the car out, I pulled it back in, jacked it up, jacked the front end, and I did the passenger side. And I'm gonna show you guys how that looks right now. Here it goes. The passenger side is done. I also went ahead and torqued down the 1-inch spacer that I got so my wheels could be sitting flush right here instead of recessed inside the wheel well. I do have to paint these. I'm not liking this finish, but as you guys can see, we got the new slider rotors in. This was actually a lot easier than yesterday. I didn't have to replace no studs on that one, which was pretty good. I do have to replace 1 or 2 on this driver's side though, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. I kind of hated doing that yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
Merry Christmas, dog.
On this side, and I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse. I'm about to dirty them hoes for you.
You fit these right, dog?
Why? These? He got me some off-whites, man. He got me some off-whites. The boy John.
You can fit those right, dog?
A size 3? Claro. I can fit a size 3. Them bitches are small. If any of you guys need some exclusive shoes, there goes that reseller right there.
Yeah, dog.
That boy John. Follow him on the IG. It's gonna be down in the description below. He got a lot of heat for you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a tripod. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this driver's side.
I used to say I was sincere. 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 I used to say I was sincere.
Alright, so there we have it. We finished changing the rotors on my 300ZX. It was a smooth transition from the old rotors to the new rotors. The thing that made it a pain in the ass was actually replacing the wheel studs. A lot of you guys might be wondering, why did I replace the wheel studs? They needed to be replaced. The rears, I was running on 3 lugs. One side had 3 lugs, the other side had 4. But we got it done. The car is sitting nice. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please drop it down a like, subscribe if you haven't. Help us reach 35,000 subscribers. And for the next video for the 300ZX, stay tuned because we are going to be installing coilovers on this bad boy. And remember, guys, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Deuces. Oh yeah, and check it out. This is how it looks with the spacers on it. That's how the front looks with the spacers on it. Once it gets the coils, it's gonna be sitting a lot more nicer and flush. But that is it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah, man, the world needs better law.
Is that tightening or loosening it? It says righty tighty, lefty loosey. Bro, that's tightening it.
Oh, weak ass.
Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep